Hi everybody, my name is Andrew Demko. So today we are near San Francisco. It is a SEP spot. We're here for Toys Drive. So basically by the end of the year, what it does is we gather together to give some toys to kids, basically, charity thing. And then we meet our friends with a lot of different cars. So let's go and let's go and check out the cars, because people say that I'm not talking about cars enough. So this is McLaren 720, 720 horsepower. Well, actually this one is tuned, so this one has 1000 horsepower and rear wheel drive. Well, this car is the best car. So let's actually walk around and see what else we have. All right, so basically, so we have toys. This is what we'll put them here.
So I can put them more.
And then all these toys will go as a charity. So let's see what we have here. So this is Porsche Turbo S. Right, so here, if you see that the Turbo S was 200K, and this car specifically has $100,000 in options. Porsche GT4 RS, which was, I think, one of the first in the US. It's a car, it has GT3 engine, 500 horsepower. I don't know, 300,000, 200,000. Well, basically it doesn't matter because you still cannot get one. This one is GT Black GT something, totally track car. A lot of horsepower, 0 to 60, nothing. Basically, if you can just buy it, just buy it. It's sick. It was actually one of the fastest cars at a Nürburgring. This one is very interesting. They take an old Porsche and then they put the whole new tech in there. This is $500,000 car. So this is the garage where people store their cars. And then on the top, it's where you socialize. We have events here, and people get together. We can share memories, and because we like cars.
Hey guys, I'm Andrew's friend. This is my car, Cadillac CTSV. One of my cars has a Corvette Z06 engine with 640 horses, magnetic ride, everything else that it's supposed to have. And it's pretty fun, daily driver, pretty fast on the track as well, and overall pretty happy with this thing. Haven't used much. It's actually the second day that I've been driving this thing, but a lot of fun for sure. Yeah, love it.